Ladies and gentlemen, guys and gals, boys and girls, I'd like to welcome you to Raptor Machine and Tool. Welcome to my workshop. This is my entry for the Tips Blitz or Tip Blitz 2019. I would like to thank Emma Ritson and John Creasy and all the rest of the YouTube creators, guys and girls alike, who thought of this and collaborated on this to make something great for the year. I must say that I've watched just about all, I'd hope all the Tips Blitz 2019 videos, and I've learned a lot. I wanted to contribute something that helps me in the workshop. So I wanted to keep it simple, so here's my Tip Blitz for 2019. My workshop tip is to create these little steel plates for your Kurt Vise. Now, Kurt Vise is just about the most well-known vise out there, and most people have them, most people use them. I know there's Orange, there's a few other very good vices, but the biggest complaint that I hear is having chips falling in your screw. So what you can do is you could go ahead and buy these steel plates. You could buy them from Kurt, or you can go to McMaster Car or Zorro or any place that sells metals on the interwebs or your local metal shop, and you could buy these plates. Now what I've taken it one little step further is I put them on my shear and I cut different sizes, and I just keep them by the vise so they slide under. If I have a big piece, small piece, doesn't matter. If you want to know what kind of materials to use, the width of this is 66.6 millimeters and the thickness is 0.33 millimeters. So if you want to cut your own, there you have the dimensions to buy it, or like I said, you could buy it from Kurt. But this will keep your vise clean. I know it's not very simple to be sticking this in here all the time, but it is a lot better than cleaning 10 pounds of chips out from where your threads are. And it'll probably make your vise last a lot longer. So that is my Tip Blitz for 2019. Thanks guys, keep up all the good work, and hope to see you all soon.